So, I'm going to get a Continental airplane. People are boarding right now. We're on our way to Houston, really on the way to Atlanta, to TechEd. And where we're going to show you a brand new CTP of the Windows Azure App Fabric Service Bus. So I'm on my way, and I don't think we're going to have Wi-Fi on this airplane, otherwise I would have been able to show you a little bit of a stunt. But as we get to Houston, I have a little bit of a layover, so I think, or I'm trying to go and show you the relay, kind of on some completely foreign network. I tried to do that here, but I got to the airport a little bit late. Seattle SeaTac has a free airport Wi-Fi, so that's usually working. Flying to Houston, and unless there's network on this airplane, which I don't believe, I'll see you over there, and I'm going to try to show you how a service bus works on some random network. So, meanwhile, I made it to Houston on the way to TechEd to Atlanta, and what I want to show you is a little demo, as promised. And what you'll see here on the screen is our little web sample running. It's the image sample from the Service Bus SDK. And what we're going to do now is see the phone. It's glaring a little bit. I'm going to go and go into my favorites because it's a little hard to type, and I'm going to go HTTPS Clemens Sandbox .servicebus.windows.net. That's exactly the address that we had. All right, and that went a little bit quick. That was actually cached, so let's go and reload this, and you'll see that this loads. So we're here at the airport in a bar, as you can see, and I signed into the wireless network. It's here in that bar. That's actually pretty nice. They have for folks with American Express cards. You just have to sign up with your with the customer phone number that's on the back of the card, and then you get wireless access for 45 minutes, which is kind of cool. But I signed up and then just basically ran the image sample as is. Going signing up with Clemens Sandbox. The credentials are actually in the config file, and I'm running that service. And if you're not familiar with that, let's go and take a quick look at this. This is a very regular service bus, or sorry, service model contract for WCF. And let's look at the service itself. The service is pulling an image file, as you can see. And then, as you call this, it's basically serving that up as a JPEG file, which is what you see here on my phone. And of course, the cool thing is that I was able to just expose the web services endpoint here from the airport bar. So I thought it would be interesting to show you kind of on the way that I can just hook up to any arbitrary network, including the one that sits here in the airport bar, and expose a public endpoint that I can then go and hit using my 3G phone. So that's that. There's going to be more of those little tricks at TechEd when I'm at Atlanta. I'm also going to explain some of the new features to you. Let's see whether I can go and find a place where I can sketch out some of the concepts. I just thought that would be an interesting little thing to do, and to prove to you that Service Bus works practically anywhere where you can go and see network, including environments where you would build applications that would have to run in these kinds of environments, like on a notebook somewhere, and where you would have to go and reach that machine for any kind of purpose. That's that.